boy on the tire. Look at that butt. What's up, bro? I don't even know if they might have picked that up good, bro. Damn! Motherfucking Betty getting shiesty, son. That bitch smell like it's on corn. I like that though. Everybody wants to speed around. Outside. Oh, I look back from the fight. I'm just outside trying to get me a little POV action, little outside of the traffic, cutting up. You know what I'm saying? He come pull up. True. Nah, that car, I know that car. That car fast as hell though. I done seen that thing run with not Mustangs, but I done seen that thing run with some of the best Hellcats, built Camaros. That bitch definitely on the wheel. I see that, but out here real shiesty like. But yeah, man, we just outside cruising through the city, you know what I'm saying? I ain't had nothing else to do. Somebody was like, can you give us another POV? And I was like, for sure. I got you, gang. That's like my favorite thing to do. Drive my car. That's all I'm doing is driving my car. No damage. But yeah, let me when I get out this road, I get back on him. Ah, that bit missed the tunnel. My bad about the audio quality too. I took the had the external mic on him, but I ended up taking it off. I'll put it back on later. That look like that boy, what's the name? He don't drive his shit though. None of them niggas that really drive their cars. Let's see if he'll get up here. Wait on him. It's probably his wife. Them niggas don't drive their cars for nothing. But you know what? It's a POV, but I'm gonna tell y'all like this. So my car, I'm at 90K miles on my car, bro, and this bitch still running like a champ to me. You know what I'm saying? I got some minor stuff I gotta fix, but that's just normal wear for me. So I got some stuff that I'm gonna do to it, and you know, see what that bitch be like. But 90K miles, bro. When I got the car, it's at 35. I done ran a 60 on this hoe. I drive mine though. I don't baby my shit. I'm trying to see if he gonna come. That might be his wife. Let me get over here. Semi, you big dummy, you big fucking dummy. That's why I try the way I try now. Fuck out my way. That's exactly why I try the way I try now. Exactly. lane back there, but that boy could be that boy. You know what I'm saying? That could be that boy. So we're not even gonna play with that boy. This nigga right here. Just tell y'all, just stay in your lane. We got it. Just stay in your lane. Let us handle the rest. You will be okay. I promise you. What you doing, cuz? Trying to show me something? You trying to show me something? That's what you're doing? You trying to show me? Trying to show me something?